Hey, it's Sally with Sally's Solutions, and my granddaughter Phoenix wanted to be on the video with me, so she's here. And today we wanted to share LiveGood's Essential Amino Acids. This helps to support muscle strength and function, boost your stamina and recovery from workouts, and promote energy and focus. If you're in the same generation as me, energy and focus is something that is lacking a lot of the time. So these essential aminos would be great. Another thing that's nice about them is they're gluten-free. There's no sugar. They're non-GMO, and they're vegan. So it is a powder. And let me see if I can get this out without causing a major issue. So it comes in a scoop for the powder. Okay, and it is one serving, which is approximately 1 scoopful, to 8 ounces of water or other preferred liquid. Mix well and enjoy.
Gigi,
What?
can I do it with you?
What do you want to do? You want to show the scoop?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can show the scoop. Just be careful, don't spill, okay? So this is a scoop of it. All right, I'm going to put it back in here. So, guys, if you want to have muscle strength and good function of your muscle and boost your stamina and recovery and promote your energy and focus, which is really important if you're old like me, she has plenty of energy, trust me.
Yeah.
Maybe not so much focus. But anywho, the LiveGood Essential Aminos. Check them out.